Wow, there's a lot
Many
of chairs. What is this here?
Lots of kitchen stuff.
Ah. Good morning, everybody, Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Queenie Lowen Vlog, and this is my partner in crime. So today is Australian Day. So walang pasok at walang trabaho yung mga tao. Kaya busy ngayon dito sa Melbourne. Yan, guys. Morning. So nag-breakfast kami doon sa hotel na aming tinutulugan. May free ang breakfast doon. Let's go, guys.
No, this is normal, Queenie. This is not crazy. This is normal, Queenie. Normal.
Normal. And you are abnormal.
That's why we are a team.
We are partner in crime. Normal and abnormal.
You are crazy. I am not.
Alright.
I am patient. You are not.
Oh, sometimes I am patient.
When you're sleeping.
Oh my god. Oh, that's an old building there. It's not a living.
It's your H&M.
Oh, H&M, that's right.
The old original post office.
Oh, H&M is open? Wow. I think today it's a lot of sale. Yan ang building H&M, guys. Ito yung building H&M. Ayan. Dito sa Melbourne. Meron din doon H&M sa Docklands, yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Doon sa may katabi ng Costco.
Yeah, just up here.
Yeah.
Come through the end of Maya, and then see that spire there.
Yeah.
That's Melbourne Central.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the shop
yeah.
tower. Well, in there's Uniqlo and all that, all in this section. Yes. Okay.
Yes. So, nandito na tayo sa IKEA, guys. Yan.
Easy to ship. Yep. And then you can screw it together at home. Because really the hard part about cupboards and that sort of stuff is the simple fact. And the simple fact is that it's just a big box of air. Whereas as it comes as a flat pack, no problem.
Dito na tayo sa loob. So, nasa entrance na tayo, guys. Ayan. Let's go. Pasok na tayo. Pasok. Mga suki.
Spend $50.
Grabe yung arguments. IKEA, baby. So dati nakikita ko lang tong IKEA, guys, sa television. Ngayon makikita ko na sa personal. Personal? Ano to? Person. Welcome to IKEA. Is that a chandelier?
Of sorts.
Wow. It's very beautiful. So you can just like shop there without any question.
Yeah, you don't have to be a member here.
Huh?
You don't have to be a member here.
Ah, okay. Oh, there's a play game. Showroom, market hall. There's the market hall. They're doing it. So, pupunta tayo sa taas, guys. Sa market mall. Oh, market mall ba? Tcharam! Furniture showroom. It's not noisy here. There's a laundry here.
This is a complete home. 55 square meters.
Oh,
It has hours.
1,000. Welcome to our. Oh. Oh, yes. So guys, ito pala ay isang studio type. Ito dito. Yan. Para siyang studio type lang. So ayan yung mga price niya. Yan yung price ng cabinet, 1,835. And yung price din is dito. Ganda. Sa TV. And also this one. Ah. Oh, may ano pa sila dito. May bed pa sa taas. Wow. Toilet. Para siyang studio type lang pala. Divider. 79 market mo hall lighting. Furnitures.
Dito mo ba ang gasip? Ulo eh.
Don't mind the wardrobe.
Oh wow. It's nice.
It's monitors, so you could change that. If you
Okay.
have a room without a window in Japan, you can have an ocean view one day or a forest view another
okay.
day.
Oh, there's some. Oh, this is different here. Wow. Coffee. Utensils. Oven. So cute.
To hold your letter? It's just you
Oh.
have the space to have the letter on the side.
Huh? Oh wow, that's so cute. That's cool. It's a fridge. I like this. Like this layout. It's a cabinet, but it's fridge. Yeah. Ah. What about this? Oh, dishwasher. What? Ah,
That's
dryer.
racking. Just
Huh?
racking.
Racking.
Racking for other things.
Ah, okay.
But if you have in here
Kettle and everything.
and you can
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
this I like. Not quite so much in out, but I like
Mhm.
it. I like it.
Mm.
Oh, here's your Filipina size
Yeah.
kitchen.
Aray, come. Sobrang liit ng upuan. Very tiny chair. Look at that. $199. Oo. Pang kids lang. Laruan pala to ng pang kids. Oh, white. So this is different styles. Oh wow. Look at this, darling. See, just like this. Which one is it? Upstairs. Ah, wow. I bet you this is a fridge. Oh, yes. Para siyang ano, para siyang
Filipina, there's a grill.
para siyang cabinet pero ref pala siya. Look at that. Wow. Grill station. Oh, I like that, darling. Yeah. That's a nice cabinet. Oh, it's a books here. And a leather couch. And a television. Wow. Museum of myself. Look at this, a heart. 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 Wow. It's a big furniture, this one. Yeah, it's a nice one. What is this in here?
Another room.
Studio? Mirror on the parang baliw. Oh, nice.
We keep going, I'll catch up.
Huh?
Keep right, catch up.
Oh, I will get my phone if you might lost.
No.
Small rooms. Ooh. jungle vibes, this one, guys. Oh, this one's very nice. Oh. Cute nito, guys. Look at this. Oh, what is this here? Symphonics. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ah, you post. Ah. Oh. It's not working, this one. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one's working. That's clever.
This is like Liz's house.
Yeah.
And once you hook everything up, you just ask the Alexa to do it. Alexa, close blinds.
And Alexa do it for
TV stand.
Yeah, no, that's fun.
Lots of storage there.
yeah. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of storage. Oh, this is perfect for the shoes.
Can't tell you exactly.
Here's the doors. No shit. Oh, there's a guy there.
You sure?
Huh?
He might identify as they then. Be careful.
Wow. Wow.
So did you want to ask about that?